What's going on, beautiful people? I hope all is well where you are. Thanks for tuning back in with me. Today I'm going to be working on finishing replacing the carpet in my Suburban. I got it sitting out right now in the sun, just relaxing, trying to get the wrinkles out. In the meantime, I'm going to work on getting the old carpet out and get it out of the way. I was hoping I could do this without having to disconnect the air ride controls, but the hole's not that big, and I might as well go ahead and knock it out and move on. Now when I disconnect these air lines, the suspension is going to go down. And that's that. I think everything is out of the way. Just taking my time with the trimming, a little bit at a time. And bear in mind, the carpet is not a perfect rectangle. It's, you can't use any reference marks or you use the carpet as a reference when you're cutting your excess off. Just trim a little bit at a time and go very slow. Got the carpet in, got it in place, trimmed up everything. Just got to put the final pieces in, you know, as far as the door seals. But I'm gonna wait on that because I want to get it painted, and I want, you know, I'm doing a color change, so I want to leave that out. And I need to put it in, then have to turn around and take it back out. But overall, I like the way the carpet laid down. I might still have to do some additional trimming, but I'll take my time with that and and see how it plays out. Still waiting on the seats to come back. I don't anticipate them coming back anytime soon. The upholstery shop was running behind, like 2 months behind. But, you know, hey, this is a long-term project, so I'm not in really any rush. But one thing that I want to talk to you about is, say if you're working on a vehicle and you're doing the interior, don't leave out doing the carpet. You know, I talk to some people that say, man, I can take the carpet out and clean it. Or, man, it ain't going to come out as nice as replacing it. You know, you're still going to have nasty spots in the carpet. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Now, don't you agree with me that replacing the carpet is a lot better than trying to clean it and get all the ground in grime out of it? Come on. Come on. To see how this is going to turn out, be sure to hit the subscribe button. This is going to be awesome. Truly awesome. Until next time.